6 Golden Habits to Stay Young After 50. Now, if this topic interests you, make sure to watch it till the end, because I am going to share some golden tips that will surely help you to stay young and also look young after 50. Welcome to our channel. While the aging process is inevitable, there are proactive steps we can take to embrace a youthful appearance and vitality. According to recent studies, more than half of the population is worried about their skin aging. It helps you keep your body in shape, increases blood flow, and boosts your mood. Prolonged sun exposure can cause wrinkles, age spots, and other skin problems. So it's important to protect yourself. Always use sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Whenever you go out in the sun, wear protective clothing, hats, and sunglasses, and avoid tanning beds altogether. You can also consider using natural sunscreen alternatives like aloe vera or coconut oil. Remember, staying safe in the sun is a simple yet effective habit that can help you maintain youthful and healthy skin. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Getting enough sleep not only keeps you looking refreshed, but also supports better cognitive performance, a stronger immune system, and improved overall health, along with strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups twice a week. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. They also have detrimental effects on your overall health. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. So embrace these habits and embrace the journey towards a better, brighter future. Share your thoughts and experiences with us. What works for you when it comes to staying young and healthy? Your comments matter. We value your input. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. To maintain a youthful appearance and ensure your body stays strong and vibrant, it's best to quit smoking and limit alcohol intake. Engage in hobbies, spend time in nature, or connect with friends and family. Prioritizing stress management not only helps you look younger by reducing its damaging effects on your skin and hair, but also improves your mental and physical well-being. Exercise not only keeps you fit, but it also promotes healthy blood circulation, improves sleep quality, and enhances cognitive function. But the good news is that adopting certain habits can make you look and feel years younger. So let's explore some effective strategies that'll help you achieve just that. Make sure to subscribe for amazing informative content. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting the body against oxidative stress and free radicals that contribute to aging. Include foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your daily meals. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support healthy skin and overall well. Let's dive into some specific dietary tips. First, prioritize fruits and vegetables. They are abundant in antioxidants that protect your skin from damage caused by UV radiation and pollution. Aim for at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables daily. Second, choose whole grains over refined carbohydrates. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa provide essential nutrients and fiber which promote healthy skin and digestion. Third, consume lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and legumes. Protein is essential for skin repair and maintaining muscle mass as you age. Finally, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water keeps your skin healthy, and it helps flush out toxins from your body. In today's fast-paced world, the desire to look and feel young is a universal one. No. 1. Eat a balanced diet, rich in Number 2. Stay active and exercise regularly. Regular exercise is key to maintaining a youthful physique and improving your overall health. 3. Protect yourself from the sun. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for skin repair and rejuvenation. It helps restore your body's natural balance and allows your skin to regenerate. 5. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can accelerate aging. 6. Don't smoke and avoid alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can prematurely age your skin and cause wrinkles, age spots, and other skin problems. By incorporating these 6 golden habits into your daily routine, you can proactively approach aging and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more youthful you.